Thank you for visiting the Real Estate Cloud Solutions website today. What we want to show you today is how simple it can be to manage your own web content. As you can see here, we've got a demonstration website. On the website, we've got a rotating photo gallery, we've got open houses, and we've got other information which we consider to be relatively static. For instance, your biography. I'm going to click on that link now, and it's going to show you the biography page. We've inserted a photograph and we've inserted additional text which you can copy and paste from any word processing document. In addition, if you had a YouTube video, you could actually embed it in this page. When I return to my software that allows me to maintain the content, you'll notice that the page here is called Bio. I'm going to double click to open it. Now let me maximize this page so you can see more of it. As you can see down here, I've got in the freeform area a very similar toolbar to what I have with Microsoft Word. As I said before, I can insert images, I can even paste in the code for a YouTube video. Anytime you need to maintain any of the static pages, you simply update the text, click Save and Close, and refresh the page, and it's complete. You'll notice in this demonstration site we've got a rotating photo gallery in the center of the page. If you wanted to change those photographs, for instance, to coincide with an open house that you're hosting this weekend, simply return to your web editor, look for the folder that includes the slideshow. I'm going to double click on the slideshow to open up the folder that contains all the slide images. Now I've got two options here. I could select all the images and simply drag them into the backup folder, or with the right mouse button I can actually unapprove them. As you'll notice here, they've changed from regular text into italics. That means they're no longer accessible to the website. To upload no images, I simply choose File, Upload, select the folder where I've stored all of the images for my open house, select the images, and you can select multiple images at once, and click the Open button. That moves all of the images from your computer up to our server and updates your website automatically. Now you'll notice each of these images has the opportunity to include a caption. To update the caption, simply right click on it and choose Properties, and I'm going to put in 109 Wooten Street Open House Backyard, and click the OK button. When I've completed updating all of the captions for each of the individual photos, I can go ahead and save the folder by simply closing it. Returning to my web browser, if I refresh the page, you will notice that all of the photographs in the rotating photo gallery have now changed. And you can change the order in which they appear on the website by simply providing a name for each of the photos in numerical order. To add an open house listing, simply return to the software that allows you to manage your web content, open up your open house calendar, and to create a new one, you simply click on the new icon, just like on your calendar in Outlook. If you wanted to include additional text in the document, you might want to copy it from your MLS listing. For instance, here, I'm going to triple click on that content and copy it. And now I'm going to paste it into the freeform text area, and I'm going to change the font to make it a little bit bigger. We'll choose 14 point, and save and close that document. If you have open houses for the same property over multiple weekends, you have the opportunity of repeating the event so that you only have to update the content once. Returning to my website, I refresh the page, and now when I click on that particular open house listing, it provides all of the content that I've pasted in from the MLS listing. Simple as that. In addition to updating photographs in your rotating photo gallery, you have the ability to include additional content such as your listings or your recently sold properties. If you're an avid Facebook user, you have the opportunity of embedding your Facebook timeline on your website to keep it up to date all the time. Simple as that. If you have any questions, we hope you'll give us a call or register for one of our online webinars. Thank you very much.